I knew early on in our relationship that we'd be standing here together. I just didn't know when it was going to happen. I used to tell you, you'd be the girl I marry. And now, as we stand here today, I know I've made the right choice.
I wish I could stand up here and promise you the world, but the world isn't mine to give. What I do promise is you having full access to my world for as long as we both live.
You're the most beautiful, amazing and kind-hearted person I've ever met. You're my inspiration to be a better man. Each day I'm with you. I feel lucky to be beside you today.
I wish I could promise you forever, but that time frame will be different for us both. What I promise is every second of this time together I will celebrate your kindness, achievements and personal growth.
Logan, you and I are a team like no other. So today, some would see this as happily ever after, but I see this as just our next big adventure.
I wish I could promise you riches, but Logan's luxury VIP status requires money. What I do promise is a life of laughter, spontaneity and finishing each other's sentences, which I know we both find strange yet funny.
I promise to love you like you deserve to be loved, treat you like the princess you are, and together continue working towards everything we want in life. You're my best friend, you're my rock, you're my present, my future. Now you're my wife.
If you're still up for this, which I hope you are, and wanting to be each other's life win, then my final closing part to say is, and so the adventure begins.